Hello everyone, today our fabulous marketing coordinator Miss Kelsey is taking us through the new Expert Ritual Experience Kit. Her first step is going in with the active cleanup powder and working it into a nice lather before massaging it into her face for that gentle exfoliating cleanse. The next step of course is that Biotin oil mist. We're going to bring in that hydration and that moisture balance after cleansing. Thirdly, we'll go in with the calming balance gel. This again is going to reinforce that hydration. And so after we've sufficiently massage that into the skin, Kelsey is going to go with the star of the show, of course, which is the booster and the serum of the Dermatology First Package EX. And so she's going to first a booster spray, let that absorb, and then she'll go in with a couple drops of serum. She'll massage those in nicely as well, and she'll also allow time to absorb. And in typical Boo fashion, Kelsey's going to finish off with a second round of booster sprays. Next, Kelsey is going to lock in that moisture balance with our Active Cream EX. Again, that high concentration of Bianco leaf extract to really soothe the skin and reinforce the skin barriers. And to finish off her ritual, she is going in with the Daily Aqua BB. Not only does this have beautiful light coverage, but you have additional ingredients for skin benefits all day long. And look at that final Remon glow, all thanks to the brand new Expert Ritual Experience Kit. Thank you so much for watching.